Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. So today's video is going to be brought to you by Michael, one of our partners here at Cryptopia, and he's going to be bringing you fast and informative tutorial and how-to videos on everything crypto. I hope you enjoy this video and make sure you stick around to the end and hit that like and subscribe button. Over to you, Michael.
Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. John, thanks for the intro. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial video on swapping BUSD to ETH utilizing RocketX exchange. If you guys haven't heard of RocketX exchange, I highly recommend you checking it out. It's a good way to save money and get the best prices on cryptocurrencies while doing swaps. It also allows you to swap tokens from different blockchains, saving a lot of money utilizing centralized exchanges without ever having to put your crypto on a centralized exchange, so keeping your crypto safe. If you do want to use Rocket Exchange, we highly recommend or request that you use our reference link, which will be listed in the details below. All right, so here we have the web page of RocketX Exchange pulled up. What we're going to do is go ahead and click Launch App. And it's going to bring us to the page where we can actually do the swap itself. It's going to ask us up here to connect our wallet. We're going to click Connect Wallet. And today we're going to be utilizing the BNB chain as our base chain. We're going to connect with our MetaMask. You can also use Trust Wallet, Coinbase, or SafePal. Today's example is going to be with MetaMask. So you go ahead and click on the MetaMask icon. It's going to ask for permission to connect your wallet. Okay, once we get our wallet connected, as you can see here, we're going to go ahead and come over here and click multi-chain. Once that loads, we're going to click on source network. And we're going to set the source network as BNB chain. And the asset on that network is going to be BUSD, as that's the example asset we're using for today. So as you can see, it's loading as the source network is BNB chain. The sub asset itself is BUSD. Then we're going to come here to destination and we're going to switch that over to the Ethereum network. And the token that we're going to use for this example today is going to be ETH. Now that we've selected Ethereum network, it's going to display our source network and the sub asset, our other destination network and sub asset. Now that we have the Ethereum chain selected and ETH itself as the currency we're going to be switching to, it's going to give us a projection of what we can do for this transaction. It says we're going to save $5.65. It gives us our price of ETH. It gives us our BUSD price, the fee for the platform itself, which is only $1, which is amazing. And the expected amount of time for transaction to complete. As you can see over here, it gives us the different options of what type of exchange or liquidity pool we would like to draw from to be able to do this transaction. As you can see here, we've got two different quotes. The one that's best is going, as you can see, best is going to be the RocketX pool, and that's where we're going to get 0.156 ETH. Whereas if we were to use KuCoin, it would only get us 0.152 ETH. So now that we've got everything selected, we looked at everything, make sure that this is what we want to do. We're going to go ahead and hit cross-chain swap. I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions. We're going to approve the transfer. And now it's conducting the transfer. MetaMask is going to ask us to complete the transfer. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. It's showing you the process of the transaction. Obviously in this stage it's been submitted. Step 2 is for it to process, and step 3 will be the final transaction. Also note they're running a promotion. This is one of 10 transactions where you use it via a centralized exchange, and once you do 10 of 10 transactions, you'll get 10 BUSD. Okay, as you can see, the transaction has been completed, and we're going to go ahead and close this window. And then we're going to go over to history, and it's going to show you the history of trades that we've done on RocketX exchange. As you can see, we've taken 200 BUSD, converted it to 0.156 ETH, saving us $5.69 via the RocketX pool, and the transaction itself was a success. Now I'm going to go to the wallet itself. And as you can see, we've got a transaction deducting 200 BUSD. And what we're going to do is switch over to the Ethereum network. And now we have that 0.156 Ethereum in our MetaMask. So we've successfully converted it from being BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain over to Ethereum on the Ethereum blockchain, and it's in our MetaMask. So now we've successfully done the swap. So that's it for this tutorial today, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you like the content we're putting out. Also, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the field below. You can join us on our Telegram or Discord. We also have a Patreon where we do buy, sells, and stake alerts. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.